This is the new Seiko Presage Classic Series SPB529, a watch that blends Japanese heritage with modern craftsmanship. Inspired by the Bunsei era of the late Edo period, it carries a design language rooted in tradition while pushing forward with sustainable details. The dial is finished in Shiracha, a warm, light brown gradient once beloved by tea masters and traditional artisans. Gold-toned indices and hands provide subtle elegance, while a beveled date window at 3 o'clock maintains symmetry and function. The 40.2mm stainless steel case features a rich golden brown bezel, an oversized fluted crown, and dual-curved sapphire crystal. With a 13mm thickness and 100 meters of water resistance, it's refined yet practical for everyday wear. Seiko also highlights sustainability here. The strap is crafted from upcycled leather offcuts supplied by Regal, Japan's high-end shoemaker. A three-fold clasp ensures comfort, while this collaboration bridges fine watchmaking and shoemaking traditions. Inside, the SPB529 is powered by Seiko's 6R55 automatic caliber. With 24 joules, a 72-hour power reserve, and hacking seconds, it's a reliable heart that balances durability with accuracy. Limited to 3,000 pieces worldwide and priced at $1,050, the Seiko Presage Classic Series SPB529 is more than a timepiece. It's a wearable expression of Japanese artistry and timeless design. If you enjoyed this look at Seiko's latest release, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our upcoming watch reviews.